All right, folks, now my next guest is out with this world-famous annual 10 prediction list. I love the title of this one, though, High Risk Bull Market, right? Let's bring in Crossmark Global, the CEO, CIO, Bob Dahl. All right, Bob, listen, before we get to the new list, got to give you props for last year. You got 8 out of 10 right. But overall, how surprising was the action in the market? Because, you know, it's one thing when we get from point A to point B. What happened in between, I don't think was on anybody's bingo card.
You got that right. It was a great year, but we went down 20%, if you remember, in the spring, and then turned around and came back 40% from that low to the high. It was a wild year, but on balance, if you bought them January 1st, you were very happy December 31st.
All right, now let's do it. Let's get into some of these top 10 predictions here. We're going to bring up the screen here so the audience can see what they are as well. You know, some that sort of caught my eye in the first 5. The economy grows 2.5%. I think a lot of folks are there. Danielle and I just talked about inflation. You see it remaining sticky and you know, not making any much progress toward the 2%. Some are saying, hey, if you listen closely to Jay Powell, he says X tariffs are already at 2.2%. So what holds this up this year?
I think the services side will remain stubborn. Look, I'm not looking for a big inflation increase, but I just think it's going to stay closer to 3 than 2, Charles. And that's troublesome when PE ratios are in the 20s.
Another one here I want to ask you about, because everyone's kind of hanging their hats on earnings. You say earnings are going to actually disappoint this year.
Yeah, look, we've had how many years in a row of double-digit earnings growth? Long-term earnings growth in the U.S., Charles, remember, is 7%. The consensus is up 14. Look, I think it'll be above 10. I'm using 12. You might say, is there really that much difference between 14 and 12? And the answer is yes, when PEs are where they are. The market's priced for perfection. Therefore, our title high-risk bull market. Bull market means you've got to be involved. Path of least resistance is up. The 2 necessary conditions: 1, the earnings estimates keep being robust to the upside, and 2, that the Fed does not get on the wrong side of things. If they stay accommodative or neutral and earnings keep moving up, the bull market continues.
All right, so let's talk about how to take advantage of this bull market. I want to go over some of your picks here. You know, Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a name that, you know, goes way back. I'm a huge fan of Jacobs and his son. You know, what they did was remarkable. But you don't hear about it a lot in this new AI age.
You sure don't, and it's lagged over the last several years. But, you know, their stock is selling at 12 times earnings, so it doesn't have to do a lot to get some recognition. They continue to diversify away from handsets. They're entering higher quality, higher content semiconductors and playing the AI game. So I think at this price, the risk reward is interesting.
Charles Schwab, financials, folks like them. Charles Schwab had some issues early last year. Then it started to become something of a fan favorite. What's so distinctive about them for this year?
Yeah, more clients, more assets under management, improved technology, better ways to trade. They're operating on all cylinders, and with this double-digit earnings growth, strong cash flow, it's selling at 20 times earnings. I think it can go up further. Hey, it's gone up a lot already, as you point out.
30 seconds up, Bob. Gilead, we've talked about this before. One thing I like about you is that you added another layer to your analysis of this, and that's just a company doing good things for humanity.
Yes, they are. Obviously, HIV is their prime gig, and they are, in the areas they operate, helping people by donating things related to both prevention, prophylactics, as well as treatment. Great company, good hearts.
Hey, Bob, great seeing you. Happy New Year, my friend, and keep up the good work. 8 out of 10 ain't bad. Okay, see you soon.